Hi YouTube, ThinkVesting here. Just wanted to share a little bit about how I view life in general. Sometimes we start off in a sport or a project or something new, and as I draw most of my viewpoints from martial arts, however good you are, all of us start at white belt, and assuming that sport, martial art, or project is a good fit for you, you can build small successes and slowly build upon that experience. So for some of us it's faster, for some of us it's a bit slower, but assuming with hard work and dedication and a little bit of practice and luck, perhaps you'll get to a point where you reach a breakthrough moment, and at that point in time, you find that your success continues to build, and you actually see that for most of us, for a lot of martial artists, you'll probably realize that there is no one technique to do things. You'll find that there are a lot more things that you can do, and a lot more things that will be more fit for more situations. And you'll find that you will continue to build on that success and keep on building your success. And the only real limit to these things is what you can conceive of and think of in terms of your success, as in most cases in life. It's good that you can define your success. And so interestingly enough, some of the top athletes will say, oh, well, we are just lucky, I guess, in being able to achieve certain level of mastery. But for those who do practice and put in the hard work, they will find that the more that they train and the more that they work hard at it, the luckier and more fortunate they become, the more success they can get. As always, I'd like to wish everyone continued prosperity and success, and I look forward to seeing you in the next few videos. Bye!